Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to remove background noise from any audio using Audacity. Audacity is a free and open source digital audio editing and recording software that can be used to remove background noise from any video. So the first step is to download and install Audacity on your computer. Audacity is available for Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems. You can download the latest version of Audacity from the official website. I will drop the link in the video description so that you can just go ahead and download on your operating system. Now, since I'm on the Mac computer, I'm going to click on Download for Mac. Now, our download has begun, and when it's done downloading, locate the software file and then follow the necessary steps to install. So once you have installed Audacity, open the software and import the audio file by clicking on File, then Import, and then click on Audio. Navigate to the location of the audio file on your computer and select it. Then click on Open. Or you can just drag and drop the audio into Audacity, and Audacity will import the audio track. Before you can remove background noise from the audio track, you can do this by clicking and dragging the cursor over the section of the audio track, or pressing Command A or Ctrl plus A if you are on a Windows computer to select the entire audio track. So now go to Effect, then Noise Removal and Repair, and then click on Noise Reduction. In the noise reduction dialog box, click on the Get Noise Profile button. This will enable Audacity to capture the noise profile of the selected section. So, after capturing the noise profile, select the entire audio track, go to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and then Noise Reduction. This time, adjust the settings to your preference, and then click on OK to apply the noise reduction. Finally, export the audio by clicking on File, Export, Export as MP3, or any other desired audio format. Name the file and choose the location where you want to save it, and then click on the Save button. So that's it. You have successfully removed background noise from your audio using Audacity. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care.